Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2020 Audi A1. So the first thing we need to do is go to settings, then we need to go to Bluetooth, watching out at the bottom of Bluetooth. But over here you've got telephone here. If you click the home screen, if it's on anything else, if you click the home screen, you go back, radio, media, telephone. It's already showing up Audi MMI, but I'm going to click on telephone anyway. Automatic connection to or connect mobile phone. So if I click connect mobile phone, new connection, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. It's always better to do it from the car to the mobile than from the mobile to the car, because then it generates a random pin there, 628725. Click pair, allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Just look out for Audi. Where's it gone? Audi. There's two Audis there. Not connected. Not connected. So obviously still thinking about it. There you go. Successfully connected. So let's find it. Audi MMI connected. So that's that. That's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music in this 2020 Audi A1. So from any screen, it's on telephone at the moment. If you wanted to go straight to audio, you would click the music note. That's already playing. So my phone's connected, there's a tune playing, it's already showing up. If it wasn't, we'll just do that again so as you know what to do. Source, I'll put it on something else. I'll put it on, must have an SD card. So that's on SD card at the moment. So, right, we'll do that again. So what we want to do, we want to play a record. So we go to music, we click on music, that's the record that's playing. You'll see at the bottom there, Audi MMI, try and get it in the shadow. There's no tick next to there, and there's one next to the iPhone. You just need to click on there, click. That means, with the tick there, anything that plays from this phone, if this is set up correctly, whether it be Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, Apple Music, whatever, the soundtrack from a YouTube video, YouTube music, the audio will come through here, TikTok audio, whatever, it will come through here. So that's playing. It's turned down at the moment. What I do, I go to media, click on media there, so it's automatically gone to Sunflower again, but if it wasn't, if it was on there, you would go back. It just automatically connects. Let's just do that. Sunflower. So last track's played there. So that's playing. I'm going to turn that down. So it's playing there. If it wasn't, if it hadn't automatically connected, and your music's playing here, you go, you click the music note, you go to source, and then your phone, and that's it. That's it playing. If I turn this up now, and then turn this up here, I can hear you telling me to turn around. The music's fantastic, it really is. It's superb. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2020 Audi. First of all, I'll just knock it off here. Can find it. Where's it gone? Audi, not connected, not connected, nothing connected, connected. So over here, forget this device, forget. We go to the system, it was playing music. We go to telephone. If you go on telephone there, no device connected, connect mobile. It's showing. It's counterintuitive. You go to connect mobile, you're not actually wanting to connect to mobile, you're wanting to delete it, but that's the screen that shows you the phones that are connected. Now then, if you go to settings, it just shows you Bluetooth, doesn't do anything. What you have to do is hold your finger on the phone you want to delete. It brings up that screen, delete, delete. That's it gone. That's how you delete a mobile. The great thing about this system in this 2020 Audi A1 is if you've got your charging lead, You've got a USB there, and you've also got the USB-C next to it. You put your charging cable in there, the right way up. So that's plugged in there. You then plug it into your phone. And if you just give it a second, allow CarPlay without it while phone is locked, allow. So we'll do that. I've just been messing about with it. Normally it would come up on its own, but if I go to Apple CarPlay now, that's it. It's mirrored my phone screen, and you can just do anything. For instance, that screen that tells you what's playing on your audio, how long it's going to take. Oh, that's it tries to direct you to your most frequented place, which is Happy Pets and Aquatics. So, and then you've got your sat nav on this screen. So you don't have to touch your phone at all. You don't have to touch the screen. You've got voice activation here. So here we go. Navigate to PR5 4EA.
Getting directions to Higher Walton.
That's here. You don't have to press go. It will just come up on its own. So you've no need to take your hands off the steering wheel, as I say. And if you want to cancel that, if you're getting nearer home and you're fed up with the instructions, again, 2 seconds on the voice activation button. Cancel navigation.
Ending navigation.
You want to send a text, 2 seconds on voice activation. Send Barry a text.
What do you want to say to Barry?
Just demonstrating the Apple CarPlay in this 2020 Audi A1.
It says, just demonstrating the Apple Car Playlist 2021 Audi A1. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
That's it. You hear the beep there. It shows you've got a message. I'll just put it on the other screen. So if we go to the other screen, just slide across, you'll see there's a message there come up. That's the message I've just sent using voice activation. You're driving along the road, you can't look at your phone, it doesn't show you the message if you touch there. So what you do, voice activation, 2 seconds, read messages.
Barry said just demonstrating the Apple Car Playlist 2021 Audi A1. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
That's everything.
I want to call somebody. Voice activation, 2 seconds. Call Barry.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
There you go, that's ringing me. Phone's engaged, of course, because that's me, it's phoning. So, you want to listen to music? Shuffle music.
All right, shuffling music from your Apple Music library.
You want to listen to a specific track, not that one for obvious reasons. 2 seconds on the voice activation. Play Sunflower.
Here's Sunflower by Post Malone and Sway Lee on Apple Music.
It's an absolutely fantastic system. Find the nearest petrol station.
One possibility I see is Texaco on Horton Lane in Preston, about a mile to your east. Do you want that one?
Yes, please.
Perfect. I can call that location or get directions to it. What would you like me to do?
Directions, please. Find the nearest charging station.
One possibility is Electric Blue on Brindle Road in Preston, about a mile to your south. Is that the one you want?
Yes.
Okay. I can call that location or get directions to it. What would you like me to do?
Directions.
Getting directions to Electric Blue. Starting route to Electric Blue.
Fantastic system.
Head northwest on Blackburn Road, then at the roundabout, turn left onto Kittling-Bourne Brow.
Cancel navigation.
Ending navigation.
Fantastic system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.